Hello traders, let's see whether the trend is bullish or not, and let's analyze the chart. Also, let's see the important levels for tomorrow. Before going into marking the levels, let's analyze what happened today and what we planned yesterday. If you want to directly watch the levels, just go to this timestamp that I'm going to display on the screen. If you wanted to understand what happened today and what we planned yesterday, let's continue. Yesterday we planned if Nifty is not able to break this high and this low, it is going to be a sideways range, and in the first half it acted as a same thing. It acted as a sideways day, and around 12 p.m. it tested this level. After testing this level, it made a high, low, and it broke this high. After that, it retested this level and it broke this high once again. This is a entry point. This is one entry point, and this is another entry point for long positions for a target of this one or for this target. I'm not expecting this kind of a short covering. I expected a move till this level, but it moved beyond that level. And these are two good places to enter. One is here and another one is here. And for this fall also, there is an entry after breaking this trend line. And here is one more inside candle, and for taking the entry, and I have created a strategy video for scalping based on this inside candle. If you haven't watched, watch that video. And here also there is an inside candle. If you go to 15 minutes time frame, you will see the inside candle, and after that there is a breakout. It's a non-stop one-way rally, but there is a consolidation. And yesterday also there is an inside candle around this level. It is a clean move after breaking 15 minutes high. You should watch that video if you haven't watched, and you should observe that strategy for a few days. It is going to give good trades on a weekly basis. Today it gave two entries, one on sell side and another one on buy side. Yesterday we planned a sideways day. First half it acted in the same manner, but after breaking out, this breakout and breaking this stays high, it's a non-stop short covering. From this point short covering started. Okay, that's fine. And yesterday is a continuous fall. Today is a continuous short covering. Let's mark important levels for tomorrow, and let's create our plan. Tomorrow, if Nifty opens inside this range, this is going to be a resistance level. If Nifty opens inside this range below this high point, this will act as a resistance. If it opens above this range, it is not going to act as any level. This closing price will act as a support. We should remember that point. This is support level, another support level, and another support level, and this is another support level. And one more resistance level is here, and one more resistance level is here. That's all. And I wanted to show you one more thing also. There is a trend line. If this trend line breaks tomorrow, then the trend is going to change from bearish to bullish. Currently the trend is bearish. If this trend line breaks, we can see bullish trend after breaking this trend line. Currently also the trend changed, but for a confirmation we need the trend line breakout. If you see, it made a low, it made a high, it made a higher low, and it broke this high. This is the entry point for a positional trade, and SL will be here. If you are holding buy positions, not on options, on futures, you are on a correct position until this low is broken, this low. And if tomorrow it's going to make another low, higher low, and if it breaks this level, this will be another entry point. This high breakout or this trend line breakout will be another entry point. And if you know how to enter on a retracements, this entry is also going to be a perfect point for entry. But if this low breaks or this low breaks, this setup is not valid. This setup is invalid. Let's see our plan for tomorrow. If Nifty opens inside this range, anywhere from this low point to this high point, it may consolidate inside these ranges. That is what my expectation is. After two days of volatility, one on downside and one on upside, I am expecting a sideways day if it opens inside this range, and that's my first plan. And after that, if it's going to break this high after opening inside this range, if it's going to break this high, you should look for this trend line, how it's reacting at this trend line. If it consolidates and breaks out, you should aim for this target as target 1 and this as target 2. And after breaking this trend line, it is going to go higher. By end of the day, it closes above this trend line. The trend is going to change. then there may be pullbacks as well. And if you are an intraday trader, after closing above this high, you should see how the price is reacting at this level. Consolidation and breakout or pullback. First target, second target. If it opens a gap up, wait for a retracement till the closing price or below this closing price, and take the trade after the high breakout or the trend line breakout. You should wait for this target. That's a one more setup. And if it opens a gap down, I'm not expecting a gap down below this level. If Nifty opens below this level, this setup is not valid. This one, this low, high and higher low, this breakout is invalid. If it opens below this low, I'm not expecting opening below this level. It may pull back after opening till this breakout level and it may go higher. There is a possibility to retest this level once and go higher, but I'm not expecting opening below this level. But anything can happen. If it's going to open below this level, this is not valid. That you should remember. And after opening inside this range, if Nifty breaks this low, you should wait for this target. This is the only one target I'm going to give, and I'm not expecting this low will be broken. It may break or it may not break. The safe trade is after breaking this low, you should wait for this target. These are the setups for tomorrow, and let's see what happens. I'm expecting a sideways day, and let's check the open interest. You should remember this trend line. If this trend line breaks, the trend is going to change on higher time frame. Let's check the open interest. And option sellers created call selling positions around 24,200. Nifty closed around 24,200, and option sellers created small amount of short straddles around 24,100. It's a 1.1. It's 100 points away where the Nifty is trading now, and there is a put selling positions around 24,000, and 24,000 may act as a support, and these levels 24,200, 24,300 and 24,500 may act as resistances. 24,500 may act as resistance, but it's not a significant difference in these call OS. It's almost all strikes are same, so we don't know whether these will act as resistances or these levels are going to break. If Nifty breaks a trend line, the trend is going to change. It's already changed, then that's a double confirmation. That's all for today. If you want to see this kind of videos, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications.